Mira dad, ahí está el World Cup Stadium in Seoul. So I'm back. This is one of my favorite areas here in Seoul. I haven't been here in 6 years. The last time I came was in 2019 to the park. I did come to Korea in 2023, but I didn't come to the park. So last time I went over the bridge there this way, but it was too much walking. Actually, the other time I came through the actual Coliseum or stadium, and today I was like, I'm too tired. I don't want to walk through there. Plus, I realized, like, hello, I'm gonna be walking in here for like 4 hours. So I was like, nah, never mind. So those are my feetsies. And so almost every time I go out, like, someone always says something to me, either about my hair, my clothes, my face. Like right now, I mean I had that earlier at the bus stop, but right now I was crossing the street. I mean, as I was pulling on my camera, I turned a little, and the lady that had just passed me, she looked back. So she either looked back to look at my ensemble or looked back to look at my hair, or who knows. I don't know. So I think all these people are going up there with me. I'm gonna go walk. Oh, and going up the steps, it's like, oh, it's horrendous. I don't like going up the steps, but it is what it is. I'll just take breaks. A pretty bus. So they obviously came on a tour. My laces are kind of bothering me. Okay. Yeah, I didn't bring the proper shoes. I wanted to look cute. No, actually, this skirt, it actually drags even with boots on. So so I have to pin it on the side, on the left side, because it's very asymmetrical. So I have to pin it on the left side, and so I knew if I bring sneakers, it's like I'd have to pin it even more, but then it would look too asymmetrical. But anyway, yeah, I look cute, but not very smart to bring heels. They're like 3-inch heels. Oh, good. How am I gonna go up there? Oh, here we go. I was like, hello. It's already starting, so let me show you my heels. Oh, and my tights on this side, they're pretty. Actually, they're supposed to be the back, but I twist them so they could be on the either side, on the outside, on either side. I'm so excited. This is one of my favorite parks. So I'll go back. Look at how pretty that looks. So yeah, look Mira, qué hermosas flores. And they're all real. Petunias, they need a lot of water. They need like daily water, but it rains here all the time, so hence. Whoa, what is that? Look at that. Look at that gorgeous moth. What? I've never seen a moth like that. That was beautiful. Anyway, last time I came, these flowers, these planters weren't here, so I was able to look down. Yay! Thank you, Jesus, for allowing me to come back. Now I have to go up those horrendous steps. Oh my word. You know what? I'm gonna take pictures of these beautiful flowers. Okay, so there's the bridge, and now I'm gonna go up there. Oh my word. Yeah, it's like very steep up there. Here I go. This is not gonna be fun. Oh my word. So, yeah. Okay, I just stopped. I just started like 7 steps ago and I'm already out of breath. Oh my word. The good thing is that once I'm up at the park, it's just flat for the most part. I'm thinking this is counting them. So I've already been up 50 steps. Well, that's good because I thought it was only 10. Look how verdant it is up here. Yeah, it is county. Last time I came, I was able to see the stadium. Now you can't see it. Looks really pretty. Yeah, my heart's like racing. So beautiful from up here. Yeah, my heart's racing like a million miles an hour. Oh my word. So I'm not looking forward to this. I'm not like at I was at 106. So now I'm approaching 170. It's so lush and green down there. $210. Oh my word. I thought I came dressed for the fall, but it turns out I'm dressed for the winter in the summertime. Oh my word. Every landing is prettier than the previous. Just higher and higher. Oh my lord. I always forget, huh? 260. Oh my word. No wonder it feels like I'm dressed for the winter time. Crazy. You could see the river over there. The river Han. Oh, there's Nansen Tower over there. Yogi. Oh my lord. I always forget. I'm almost at the top. Praise God. That was 300 right there. Oh my word. 310. Oh my gosh, Jesus, I'm so tired. It's so nice down there. Okay, my lips are dry. I need lip balm. Lip balm. I literally forgot my lip balm, and I always need lip balm. Actually, I had thrown it in the bag. I had thrown two, but somehow I guess instead of taking one out, I took out two. I have no idea what I did. So now my lips are dry from climbing up those 1,000 steps. Oops, sorry. I think you all know I just lied. Because I think it was 310. Oh my word. Here we go. Okay, that's 320. So I lied, it wasn't 1,000, but still, it was close. So pretty. 안녕하세요. So I want to come on this side. It's all coming back to me. Ooh, look at the bird. Pretty bird. Look at how nice. Whoa. Let me take a picture. They're so pretty. I took some pictures, but I took it with my video slash photography camera, and it is a semi-pro camera, but my pro camera, I left it in California. Well, because the day, actually like a month prior, it broke down, and then it started working, and then the day before I left, it broke down again. So I thought there's no point in bringing it. It's too heavy. The equipment is way too heavy to carry if you don't need it. So I only have my other camera. Is that where I'm gonna go? I have no idea, I don't remember. Anyway, good thing I have like 3 hours before the sun sets. So beautiful here. So nice. It's called Haneul Park, which Haneul means sky park. So nice right here. Yeah, I don't know why I have 4 lip balms and I left 2 at home. I mean, I left all 4 at home. I was gonna take a picture, but that man's taking a picture. He pulled over right before I pulled over. He was walking by, and then he's seen it. And since I was on the opposite side and he was on this side, he got to it before I did. Oh. What? Are you serious? The area where snakes appear? Oh my word, I'm so scared now. Oh, look at the big old ant. Wow, that ant's humongous. I've never seen snakes. I hope I don't see any snakes. I don't see any snakes. funny. The area where snakes appear or whatever it said. That's funny. Look at my pretty. Oh, let me show you my top over here. It's a cute top. So it's like a bows on the sides, on either side. Anyway, it just basically ties from the back and the front over the shoulder, each shoulder. Okay, so right now because my lips are so dry and I always need lip balm. It's like a long story, but really long story. But anyway, my lower lip, half of my lip does not have the skin that protects the lip. It's just raw, like raw meat. And anyway, it's been like that for quite a few years. And so what I do is nothing has healed it, but I found this one night balm that I wear during the daytime, not just at nighttime, and it looks like the raw skin isn't there. It looks like my lip, but I mean, it's not as plump. I mean, my lips are not as plump as they used to be, especially because it doesn't have that skin, so it kind of got flat on the surface. Anyway, I need to, I don't know what that says. I mean, I know what it says, but I don't know what it means. It says Yunji Song Hul Hanho or Ilho. I'm not sure. They have two numbering systems, so I don't know if this is Sino-Korean or what do you call it? The other one. 응원해요. 당신의 가루를, and then the date. 지송이의 번째 생일을 축하해. Oh, so right here they're saying happy birthday to someone. It was the 31st birthday, 생일 축하해. So maybe it was someone who died or something. I'm not sure. And they put that there for their birthday. Oh yeah, so anyway, I was saying about my lips. I need, not just my lips, like with my whole body. I need to see my lips and my body whole. Even, I have to see it in my thoughts, even before I see the manifestation. That's the only way that I'm going to get it, because, you know, my faith only grows. I mean, through my faith, through my beliefs, my faith grows, and if my faith grows, then I shall see the manifestations of God's healing touch, because God says I am whole. He says He took His stripes for my healing. The Bible says I am whole. Just like people are saved and people get lost, people are whole, but people don't see their healing. But that's not God's fault. God has done His God has done His end of, I can't even think of the word I'm looking for. God has done His part. We need to do our part, basically. Let me get some water. So that little store I just went to, they have no water. They had a ton of drinks, but no water. I don't even understand. I go, yeah, it was horrible. And I got a Welch's drink, and I did see that it said 0, but I still bought it. And sure enough, it tastes like fake sugar. It's horrible. Now I have to carry it. I don't know, maybe I'll dump it over here somewhere. I was gonna say hi to that lady, but she didn't even look at me. Like, there are people that'll look at me, people my age and older, young kids sometimes, and by kids I mean people younger than me. Sometimes they do like look at me, but people my age and older, a lot of them like do stare, and I don't mind at all. Like, I know why they stare. They stare because some of them have told me that I'm the first foreigner they've ever seen. And some of them stare because, hello, I have curly hair. I've only seen maybe like 4 people with curly hair this year. I mean, the last 3 months. Yeah, maybe 4. So I don't see people with curly hair. And then I'm very colorful in my dress all the time. So that doesn't help. So nice right there. I'll come and take a picture of me later. God, you've already healed my lips. You've already healed my lips. My lips are not dry. I'm whole from the top of my head to the soles of my feet. Oh. I think last time I went through the right, so this time I was like, I'll go through the left. So I'm going the opposite direction. Oh, maybe they have some restrooms up there. I'll go up there. So pretty. They still haven't turned pink. They're still green. Last time I came, everything was pink. Look how beautiful that is. 너무 예뻐요. Look at how beautiful it is right here. Yay, it's so pretty. I love this park. 안녕. As I get dizzy. I think those are restaurants back there. Okay, I think this is where I started. Ew. So I just came from there. Now I'm gonna continue my walk. Look at the sky. Oh, that looks so beautiful. I need to take a picture. Yeah, it seems so different going like the opposite direction. Let me go through here and see what I come out on the other side. I don't know what they're saying, but hopefully they're not saying, we're gonna close down this park. Oh yeah, I forgot they had like random frames like all over the place. Please don't close. Oh my word, that would be horrible. I really don't know if you can close these kind of parks. I don't know. Oh, that looks so pretty over there. Let me take a picture. It looks so nice. So I'm still here by myself on this trail, obviously, not in the entire park. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm gonna put this on Yeah, I was gonna take a picture with the leg down, but it's the camera's too heavy. Look at how pretty it is right here. I like these right here. Oh, look how pretty they are. Right here, it looks so pretty. So pretty. So here it says 지금 잘 하고 있어요. 지금 means now, 잘 means well, 하고 to do, 있어요 to be. So Muslim means right now and doing good. Let's see, Dolores, let's take a picture. They changed that sphere over there. It wasn't like, yeah, 20 years ago, 6 years ago, 2019. 안녕하세요. They didn't have that sphere. It was a different art. What do you call it? Sculpture. It looks so nice. So pretty right here. Take a picture. I forgot to mention that. I think I forgot to mention this. One young lady took a picture of me. Well, she asked me if I wanted her to take a picture because she noticed I couldn't take selfies. I was trying to take a selfie. I could not take a selfie for the life of me. And so she was really sweet. She took 3 of me. And I look cute. I mean, I don't look great because I'm not photogenic, but I do look cute. So over here, we'll go like this. It looks really cool with all the reflections. Really cool. It's so nice. I love it here. Look at how cool it looks. Oh, I just took a picture of a couple. I saw the husband taking a picture of the wife, and she had probably taken a picture of him. So I'm like, do you want me to take a picture of both of you together? Good thing I know some Korean. I mean, like, I can get by in Korea with the little bit of Korean that I know. The problem is when they reply back to me. It's like, "Hi, 미안해요, 못 알아들어요." I always say, "Oh, I'm sorry, I don't understand." And they might even be asking me the exact same thing I asked them in Korean. It's just when they say it, it's super duper fast, you know? I don't understand. You know what? I'm gonna go over here, see what this is. This doesn't look familiar. I want to go out that way because I know the frames are out in that direction. Oh, it looks like they had some sort of hi, Mr. Was it a dragonfly? Yeah, it looks like they had some sort of festival or something. Huh. Hey, Mr. Dragonfly, come on over here so I can take a picture of you. I've never taken pictures of dragonflies. Yep. I mean, one time I took a picture of a butterfly at my home. It took me 30 minutes just to make it stop. Yeah, they obviously had something out here. October 18. Oh, tomorrow. I think today's the 17th. What's the date today? Yeah, today's the 17th. So tomorrow they're having something. 세이프도 칠트런 영세이보. Huh. I don't know what that means. I mean, sometimes I can recognize words. And of course, when I recognize words, like earlier, you know, when I recognize words, I can understand. Let me see, they had something here.
또 여기 이쪽에서 왼쪽이 오른쪽이야. 왼쪽, 오른쪽. 불도 보이지?
Yeah, I'm going in that direction. 안녕하세요.
Oh, you're not Korean, right?
없어요. 저는 미국 사람이에요. I'm American from California.
You too?
Yeah, I have a little bit of I have like 40 videos.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. How about you?
I'm an amateur photographer.
Yeah.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I'm a mostly nature photographer. Look at how beautiful it is. All these cosmos. 미안해요.
저. 아까 내가 한 것처럼 좀 여기다
Oh,
엄마 여기.
beautiful. Okay, so look at how beautiful it is right here with all the flowers. It's so beautiful. Last time I came, they had shrubs. So this time they have cosmos. So it's a little bit different. It's so beautiful. There are a ton of people here. You can see. Let's go around. A lot of people here. I heard there's like 40 photographers here, so I just met a man. His name is Sam. Yeah, how beautiful it is here. I like that color. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I like that. It's so beautiful here. I love all the plants. I want to take a really nice picture. Right here, this is nice right here.
빨리 가서 나 사진 하나 해봐요. 용기도 없어. 작가님이 더 많다.
Yeah,
빨리 가봐.
there are a ton of people here. But the man that I just spoke with, he told me there's like 40 photographers here, so yeah, I can see why.
빨리 가봐.
Last time I came here, they had some beautiful frames, which they don't have anymore. And then my selfie stick doesn't really stand. I try to make it stand and it doesn't, unfortunately.
빨리 가.
풍천대장님이에요.
저기 심프로님.
I could just be here forever. It's so beautiful. I love all the cosmos. I'd like to take a picture here with the tree.
사진 잘 나왔을 것 같아. 저쪽으로 가자.
비디오 찍어줘 저렇게.
아 차량으로.
There's a little birdhouse up there. How cute. Cute, cute, cute.
언제예요? 네, 언니가 있는지.
So nice. Let's see if I could take a cute picture. Actually, we'll do a video like this. Yay! It's so pretty. So nice out here. And when I say pretty, I'm not talking about me, okay? Sometimes I think I should be a comedian. What do you all think? So that's where I was over there with all the beautiful flowers. Now I'm gonna walk around over here. I wanna see where I go. Just realized I haven't even eaten today. All I drank was that disgusting drink, Welch's Zero. I'm sorry, I love Welch's juices. They're so delicious, but I don't need no zero nothing. I just didn't have anything. All they had was like energy drinks and other stuff, I guess. I don't know. I'm not sure which way to go. Okay, I need to. I'm gonna loop around. It doesn't seem like they have as much exhibits as they did last time. Yeah, last time was so beautiful. They had like frames. I was imagining myself taking a picture of me behind a frame. Yeah, anyway. Just looping around just to see what I see. Just to see what I see. Okay, I'm getting a little naked over here. It's my blouse kind of sliding off. I wonder what's up there. Maybe I should look up there. Okay, here we go. I want to see where I'm at. I am here. Okay, so I'm gonna loop around and then I can go here. We're here, but then where are the restrooms? What the? Doesn't make sense. It tells me that I'm here, but there are literally restrooms right here. I guess the steps, but it would mean the restroom. Oh, right here. Okay, you are here. And the restrooms are right there. So I'm going this way. I'm kind of confused. Am I going this way or that way? I'm going this way. Yeah, I'm going this way because the restrooms are to my right. So I'm going this way. And I'll be able to go back in right there. And what's over here? Oh, that's on the other side. Ew. I don't know what they're doing over there. Some celebration, I guess. 안녕하세요. So I just came out of the restroom. 화장실. Okay, right there it says 화장실. Wow. When you can start reading upside down in Korean, that means you're what? I have no idea. Because I still don't understand it. I mean, like in a textbook, like if I'm reading a textbook and it's like, you know, short sentences, like, yeah, I can understand it. Especially like beginners, I could probably understand 99.99%. Intermediate, I don't know, maybe 75%. But yeah, when it's spoken to me, I'm just like, what did you say? I have no idea. 못 알아들어요. I don't understand. Let's see what's out here. So pretty out here. Looks like it's sunset time, but it really isn't. It's probably like 2 hours from sunset, but I think it's because it was supposed to shower after 5 as of yesterday. I didn't look at it today, so I don't know if it's still supposed to shower, so hopefully not. So I think I'm gonna go back in there, maybe. I don't know. Oh, I think I know what I did. So I looped around. Okay. So I think what happened is I went in over there somewhere and then I came out this way. So let me see if there's something else in here that I want to look at. Lord, you've already healed my lips. I don't need chapstick. Okse. I don't know what that means. Hear a lot of birds. Maybe that's what it means. Bird sanctuary. Yeah, I don't know. People coming this way. Still don't know where I'm going. Just kind of looping around. I'll say hi to people. Like, I'll look in their direction, and sometimes people are looking at me, and then I'll look in their direction and they'll look away. Or I'll look in their direction to say hi, but then they give me dirty looks. Or I look in their direction and they're just kind of like in a daze, even if they're looking at me. So yeah, I only greet people that look like they're happy and they'll smile, you know, back at me. Even if they're staring, I don't mind people staring. Just something you get used to here in Korea for different reasons, as I already mentioned. Hey, pretty birds. Yeah, it looks like the sun's gonna set. Huh. I think I'm gonna have to go back. Oh, I'm back over here. I'm back where the cosmos were. So I think I'm gonna go the other way. Yeah, because I don't think there's anything else over here. Last time I came, it just seemed like there was so much more. I remember there was a structure that was, yeah, that's where the cosmos are, over here. I remember there was a structure. No one's there anymore. Let's see. Maybe the other side, I don't know. So I was on the opposite side over there. That's where the cosmos are. And here, yogi, 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 yogi. I already have some nice pictures, but let me take some. This area looks really cool. Huh. Yeah, I just took a picture of a couple. They asked me if I could take a picture of them. They're so nice. And then they asked me if I needed a picture. And I'm like, oh, I already had a picture. It's like, I'm so not photogenic. It's funny. I'm like, somebody already took a picture like here in this area. Well, not that area, but not that area. But in with the, I don't even know what you call this, what is this, like wheat type of thing. Yeah, so pretty right here. I don't even know what this is. Okay, I think I need to go in there. I think I'm gonna go this way. I like the rain. So pretty right here. Yay! Annyeong! So nice right here. It's raining. Oh no. I didn't want to bring my umbrella even though I knew it might rain because it's just an extra, you know, what do you call it, more equipment. I mean, more, what's over there? It's just more, oh, cool. Annyeong! There I am. And I always think I look better in the mirror, but I don't know. Maybe not this mirror. So anyway, there I am. Man, I look so much bigger in the picture. I'm not that big. Or as big as it looks like I am in the picture. Annyeong! See you later, alligators! It's my camera. Oh, look at my tights. Got some nice little tights there. Oh, yeah. Wait. Got some nice little tights there. Yay! Annyeong! Oroshi. Huh? Oroshi. Oh, yeah. I said oroshi. When it's an SI, basically kind of SI, it's not C, it's she. Oroshi nol kiyok hanen sunkin, which means I don't know. Literally, it doesn't mean that. I just don't know what it means, so my lips are dry. Oh, there's someone there. He probably overheard me talking to all of you. He's taking a rest, taking a break. Oh, my equipment. Oh, my camera's getting all wet. Oh. I should put my camera away. Oh, cool. This area is nice. Man, I'm glad I came across this. Oh, that's where I came down earlier, through there. Oh, there's the rooftop place over there. Oh, okay. So I went down that way earlier. I need to go over there. Oh, these people beat me to it. That's what you get, Dolores. You don't take pictures, people are gonna walk in there. Hi again.
Do you live in Seoul?
Yes, I do. I'll be here until January. So yeah, I'm from California.
California?
Yeah. You learn? How did you learn English from school?
You?
Yeah, you. Oh no. No, you did it with this part. Like, if you ever want to look at my website. Yeah, I have a nice.
You're doing fine.
Yeah, I have a nice. I have a nice website. If you want to say hi.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Bye.
God bless you. Have a good day. Thank you. So I just bumped into a bunch of men that were interested in where I was from. And then I told the ones up in the front that I was from the States, that I was American from California. And they got all excited. But then there was like another group of like 10 people in the back. And then they, one of them said that I was from India. He thought I was Indian. And I'm like, no, I'm not Indian. I'm American from California. From beautiful sunny California. He's like, oh, California, no, America's not beautiful. Canada is. And I said, oh, no, America's very beautiful. And then they said, crazy Trump. And I said, Trump is not crazy. Canada, they're crazy in Canada. Yeah, they're turning into socialist countries over there. It's crazy. So let me take a picture here. It's so nice. They have music out here playing for us. Annyeong. All the pretty cosmos. Yeah, last time I came was around this time. It's just different. Yeah, that lady was just staring. I nodded at her, but she just kept staring. I hope my hot shoe doesn't get messed up. Hot shoe. I said hot shoot. Hot shoe. There might be other things over there. I don't know. But I go over here. The one restroom over there has some, what do you call it, plants on its roof. So it's really pretty. be here for hours. Obviously, I was turning in the wrong area earlier. Oh, okay, that's where I came in from. I came in from over there, over there, over there. It's just I don't know the layout, so I didn't know where to start, what to do. Just kind of just went around in circles. Well, yeah, I guess in circles, but